In this video, I'll detail how to announce messages on iPhone. So if you want Siri to announce that you have an incoming messages and you want Siri to read the message to you, you can easily turn on announce messages on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to allow or prompt Siri to announce messages on your iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and select apps. If you're using iOS 17.5 or earlier version, you just need to locate the messages app on your settings page and then click on it. After that, scroll down until you get to messages. So just keep scrolling. Then once you open messages here, the next thing you want to do here is this. Click on notifications, and under notifications, you want to scroll down and locate announce notifications. Click on that. Then once you click on announce notifications, you're probably going to have this turned off. Now to announce notification by Siri, so that Siri will have to read out notifications for messages, Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen for response after reading notifications. Then go ahead and turn this on. Then you want to define how Siri announce messages on your inbox, maybe time sensitive and direct messages or all notifications. So here I prefer to use time sensitive and direct message. So with that, whenever you have any message on your iPhone, Siri will announce that you have incoming message. You will now prompt Siri to read the message for you or go ahead and check the message. So this I can easily announce message on iPhone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.